Welcome back, By Smart Fam. Today we have an exciting drone showdown between the DEERC Drone D70 and the Tizzy Toy Brushless motor drone. Let's dive into the features and see which one suits your flying needs. First up, let's talk money. DEERC comes in at a wallet-friendly $79, making it a budget-friendly option. Meanwhile, Tizzy is priced at $99, which is a bit more expensive. However, reviewers mention that Tizzy offers additional features that might justify the price difference. For camera quality, DEERC boasts a 1080p HD camera, which is good enough for casual shots. Reviewers note that while the camera quality is decent for the price, it's not groundbreaking. On the other hand, Tizzy comes with a 4K camera with a 120 degrees adjustable lens and a 110 degrees wide-angle view, which is highly praised by reviewers for its superior photo and video quality. When it comes to ease of use, DEERC is a favorite among beginners. It features one-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and headless mode, making it very user-friendly. Reviewers appreciate these features, especially for first-time users. Tizzy also includes one-key takeoff, landing, and altitude hold, but adds gesture control and multiple speed gears, making it a bit more advanced but still accessible. Let's talk about fun features. DEERC offers 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotation, circle fly, and throw to go, which reviewers find entertaining and easy to execute. Tizzy also has high-speed rotation, circle fly, and 360 degrees flips, plus 360-degree obstacle avoidance for indoor use. This feature is particularly praised by reviewers for adding an extra layer of safety and fun. Battery life is crucial. DEERC comes with a single battery, which some reviewers feel is a bit limiting. Tizzy, however, includes two 1,600 mAh batteries, offering up to 40 minutes of combined flight time. Reviewers appreciate this extra battery life, making Tizzy the clear winner in this category. For portability, DEERC folds down to a compact size, making it easy to carry around, which reviewers love. Tizzy comes with a carrying case, which is convenient but a bit bulkier. If you're looking for something that's easy to pack and go, DEERC is the more portable option according to reviewers. Overall, reviewers find the DEERC Drone D70 to be a great budget-friendly option that's easy to use, especially for beginners. The Tizzy Toy Brushless motor drone, on the other hand, is praised for its superior camera quality, additional features, and extended battery life, making it worth the extra cost for more serious drone enthusiasts. So, there you have it. If you're on a budget and need a user-friendly drone, DEERC is a great choice. But if you're looking for advanced features and superior camera quality, Tizzy is the way to go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which drone you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description below. Happy flying!